So, you've learned public speaking and you want to learn the best way how to turn that public speaking knowledge that you've got into a profitable income. So, stick with me. I'm going to cover in this particular video 5 different evergreen topics that you can make money out of all year round. Yes, there may be a little bit of work, but let's have a look at what these topics are and what's behind actually doing it. There may be something in it there for you. Who knows? Let's have a look, shall we? 5 evergreen seminar topics. My name's David Newton. Today I'm actually going to cover a question that often comes up at different public speaking seminars that I've run over the years, and also times when I've taught people about how to run seminars themselves. And that is, what topics, David, could I run that will be, around forever? And it's a very logical question. It's a question that usually goes with a lot of people that are wanting to start up events and wanting to run seminars, teach people, maybe help out a group of people to learn and have fun at the same time, and know that every time that they place an advertisement that there'll always be a queue of people around the block wanting to book for it. So let's dive into these topics and see what's actually behind them. First of all, the topics I'm going to share with you probably seem a little bit boring, maybe a little bit middle of the road. They've been there for absolutely forever. But if you look at it from the basis of what can you bring to the table that's different in these topics, then I think you're onto a winning streak. And everyone has something to contribute to these different topic ideas. These topics make money all year round. You could virtually call them like having an ATM out your front door. If you keep running these particular topics, month after month, they will actually supply you with bookings. And yes, of course, you will still have to have something unique, but you will have bookings, and that will give you enough money to make a steady living. There's relatively low startup cost. There may be a little bit of startup cost, but it won't be enough to break the bank. You can literally start right where you are right now. And as I've said before, there's low risk due to high demand. So what are these actual topics? What are they all about? Okay, well, as you may have gathered by a hint there, the first one is public speaking. Yes, public speaking itself is such a hot topic that if you run a seminar or a short course on how to go from being afraid of the stage to being able to speak without notes, and how to speak impromptu, how to deliver a speech for various different types of occasions, either at work or in a social setting, you will find customers for it. I know some people that live within 25 kilometres of where I live right here in Neutral Bay that have been doing public speaking training courses in both the corporate and the private sector for the last 20 years and have made 6-figure incomes year in, year out, just from public speaking as a topic. So yes, it's a hot one to go to. Sales training. This might be a bit unusual for some, but maybe not quite so much unusual for others. There are lots of companies out there that need sales training, whether that be training to corporate consultants, how to sell their services, solopreneurs that work from home, how to sell. They're always looking for ways how to learn how to sell better, whether that's even people who work on the shop floor and have to sell directly to people walking in the front door at a shopping centre to many different franchised companies that are in that particular area. There are lots of businesses that require sales training. Another one is writing and authoring, and I know this one as a fact. Writing and authoring is an all year round topic. There are many different genres to where writing can be: fiction, non-fiction, whether you're talking about books that are to do with, say, for example, writing your own autobiography, authoring a book that might be about the family tree. Everyone's got a novel underneath their bed that they're wanting to publish. So if you can run a course about this, and it doesn't always have to be about writing a book. It can also be about copywriting. It can be about it may even be about writing itself, that is calligraphy and so forth. There's a lot of different ways how you can slice this particular topic around. So it's a case of acquainting yourself with this particular area and seeing where it will lead to you. Painting is another hot topic. I know a few people that make six figures all year round and some even more out of painting. Painting, art. There are businesses, once again, in the suburb nearby to me. There is a champagne sip business where people pay anywhere between $50 to $250 to go in, paint together as a group. It might be a hands night or something like that type of thing. So it's ways how you can actually do painting. You can take people out for plein air painting out into the rural areas and painting landscapes. You can have people doing natural painting of live people, nudes, you name it. All those different types of things. Painting is a universal topic, and usually everything related to it. Even framing is also becoming a hot topic related to painting. Now, wealth creation can also be another hot topic, and maybe in ways that you least expect. Wealth creation can be in the form of the money mindset that's behind creating wealth, and that is, what beliefs, what values do you need to have, how to improve charging more for your business, all these different types of things. They're all the basis of wealth creation. It can be the type of wealth creation topic that can be related to, where does one put one's money, that sort of thing, without necessarily giving financial advice, which is a completely different topic again. Real estate is still another one of the hot topic areas, whether it be commercial real estate or residential real estate. All of those different types of related topics are all around wealth, and year in, year out, they are still one that packs out the seminars, either with curious people wanting to learn how to get ahead, or those who want to learn how to get ahead but might need a little bit of a helping hand in that. So I've also included here some other topics worth a mention. And there are some multi-million dollar businesses out there that are tutoring school topics such as maths and English. Once again, boringly regular type of topics. But once again, those fill up the seats, and a lot of them are doing virtual trainings these days and hiring in tutors. So therefore, that's a topic well worthwhile examining and looking at what the financial possibilities are. Suffice to say that it's a highly competitive area, but still has room for new entrants into it. Another one is online incomes and affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has been around for decades, but online incomes and teaching people how to get into this area of making passive income has always commanded high figures for teaching people what to do. Small business marketing topics always have the command of interest of the small business or solopreneur or small business type of topics, whether it be Facebook advertising, LinkedIn, Google Ads, you name it, how to SEO your website. All of those topics sell like crazy. Time management, would you believe time management after all of these years is still one of the hottest topics? Boringly regular, but still fills up a lot of seats in seminars around the world. So it's another one well worthwhile having a look at. So finally, you've got to the final slide. Finally, what topics would you like to try? And I'd ask you to answer in the comments below. What topics appeal to you? Do you have a particular favourite or something you'd like to start off with? Burn your skills in by doing something regular and building a seminar business up from the ground, doing a topic that will always sell month in, month out. What topics would you like to try? So anyway, thank you once again. If you like this video, please like and also subscribe, and also look at the other videos that I've got here, which can be to expand your business, and click on some of the other topics that I've got available. This is David Newton speaking. Thanks for your company.